Hey friends, this is Neha here. But before starting, I want to ask, do you know why Google Analytics is so important for our website? It allows us to track and understand our customers' behavior, what they are looking for, and whether our business is addressing their needs or not, so that we can take the required steps to improve. So now let's start with our first step. So the first step is we need to create Google Analytics account. For this, on Google, search for Google Analytics and now click on the first search result here. So the first thing is we need to log into our Gmail account. So let's log in, enter the password. Okay, click on next, and in this page you can see start measuring. Click on this, write a account name here. This account name will represent your Google Analytics account. So I am writing here a name, think for special. Okay, make sure you click all this checkbox. You can see, make sure you click all this checkbox and click on next. Here you can track three things. Either you can track your website, apps, or app and website both. So I'm just choosing this and then click on next. And here write your website name. So again I'm writing think for special. Okay, here we have to paste our website URL. I'm just writing my website URL www.thinkforspecial.com. Okay, and here we need to select the industry category. It means select the category your website belongs to. So in my case I'm choosing, you can see all these options and select yours. I'm choosing jobs and education, and here choose a reporting time from where you belong to. So I'm choosing here India. Okay, here it is, and just click on create. And now make sure you have to accept this terms and condition. So click on this box and click on I accept. Okay, it's loading. Once you do this, save, no thanks, and here is your tracking ID. Now the next step is we need to install Google Analytics plugin to our WordPress website. So for that we need to go to our WordPress website dashboard, go to plugins, add new, and here search for Google Analytics by Monster Insights, and here just click on install now. It will take few seconds. Okay, it's installing. Let's complete this first. Okay, now it has been installed. Now click on activate. Okay, once it is activated, just go down and click here. Now here, what categories best describe your website? Choose one. In my case it's publisher, so I'm choosing this and click on save and continue. The next is connect Monster Insights. It's authenticating. And next we need to choose an account. We need to choose our Gmail account to continue to Monster Insights. So let's continue with this account, and Monster Insight will assess our account. So we have to allow them, give permission. So just click on allow, and here just complete connection so that Monster Insight can build connection with our Gmail account. And here just go back and make sure you enable this to install update automatically, and also enable this to help us improve, and then save and continue. Again save and continue. It's checking our website. Okay, now finish. And now you can see this tracking ID and the tracking ID in our Google Analytics account is identical. So we have done with this. So if you want to see your viewers, so you can go to inside reports, and here you can see your viewers. And if you want to if you want detailed information for this, you can go to your Google Analytics account, go to home, and here you will see detailed information of your viewers. You will get all the information here. So this is it, friends. Hope you find this video helpful, and if you find this video helpful, then please like the video and leave a comment for us. And if you want to receive more helpful videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.